awesome. Just climbed up quite a hike. A treetop forest. Raining on us the last half of the way. It's a few mile hike. May 20th, 2012. It is gorgeous. Finally reached the waterfall. Spectacular. Easily over 100 feet. It costs approximately 30 tons of materials to fall 600 feet from this spot.
Okay. Oh yeah, because she drops the other kids off at 8, and then she can take Brianna and drop her off. I would text Juana and not wait for her to answer. I would at least text her so she was prepared. Because sometimes she goes to work out and